6 minus 2 gives us 4. So 2 times 4, which gives us 8. And 8 divided by this, which equals just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. We need to pay attention that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, here in this expression we have one division, one multiplication, and these parentheses. In mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so here we have a multiplication. So first we have to do this parentheses, then this division, and not this multiplication. Okay, if we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first this parentheses, then this division, and finally this multiplication. 6 minus 2 gives us just 4. So we have 8 divided by 2, then times 4. No, we have to do this division, not this multiplication, because as I said, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So 8 divided by 2, which gives us just 4, and 4 times 4, which equals 16. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 16.